Hey, speak English?
No.
You speak English?
Yes. One day, isang adlaw, the bird is flying, langgam galupad-lupad. Ay so, nakita ko. Ay shoot, gipusil ko. Ay cook, giluto ko. Ay eat, gikaon ko. Very sweet, lamig kaayo. Luwas!
Wow! A woman hugs me